Robert Farrell here. I'm going to share with you how to create a heart in 3 seconds. You ready? 1001, 1002, 1003. Game over. There you go. Heart created in 3 seconds. Now, the way it works, and the reason I went into preview mode, because I want to basically see my height now. I didn't get that exactly right. So 1001, 1002, 1003, and there's my heart. Now, all this is, by the way, and again, I get you to think the way Illustrator thinks. This is just a stroke, 270 pixel stroke, with a heavy cap on it. That's all it is. So this, in a previous video, I showed you how to create this out of a rectangle, but you can create this. And the reason I'm sharing this with you, it's all about working smart online. It's all about working smart with Adobe Illustrator. I want to teach you how to outthink your competitors, how to get that graphic design job, because time is money. And if you could do things in a fraction of the time, I'm tired of seeing, go search how to create a heart in Adobe Illustrator. You're going to see wacky, cuckoo, crazy ways of doing it. Let's learn how to do it the right way. Now let's say, oh, Robert, there's different ways to do it. Yeah, but time is money. So why not learn how Illustrator thinks and what it's capable of doing? Unleash the power of Illustrator. Subscribe to my channel. Get my courses, be better than the next guy. Okay? Time is money. Carpe diem 2020. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive.